What is design? Design is the consciousness and intuitive act of creating and implementing an intellectual plan in response to a specific need, purpose, and intention.
Design is everywhere. It's all around us, especially today. From the smallest details like the perfectly distanced pillars of the Taj Mahal seen in the upper right-hand corner of the poster, or the way the helicopter blades intersect on the Chinook seen in the bottom left.
There are several types of design, which include industrial design, architectural design, landscape design, environmental design, and interior design. What I love so much about these forms of design is that they all work together to create something beautiful.
Design is important because the world has changed. There's an old economy versus a new economy. And the old economy is represented by the leather armchair, which doesn't really move much. And the new economy is represented by the bar stools, and the group arranges the bar stools in whatever arrangement best suits the needs of the group. The only thing that's not designed is nature, and anything that's made has to be designed.
Design is at the center of innovation, and innovation is a top contributor to our economy. In the center of my collage, you'll see the design process: ideation, visualization, prototyping, and implementation.
Great designers like the world-renowned furniture designer Hans Wegner play the edge, create meaningful connections, and constantly seek answers to life's questions: what, how, and why.
The first chair in my design evaluation matrix has the best overall rating, specifically in comfort, function, and aesthetics.
The second to last chair has the highest rating in my design matrix due to aesthetics, function, and safety.
I found that the chairs that I enjoyed the most would be the hammock chairs outside of my house. I did not like the picnic benches outside in the sun with no coverage.
The office chair was actually the best, and then this patio chair, this lawn chair actually was actually the worst.
The Highlandtown bench is the best designed, has a high average overall score, and particularly high points for social impact, function, and aesthetics.
I found the TIAA concrete seating area to be the worst design due to lack in comfortability, cost, and environmental impact.
The choice
This is simple.
Constantly invent
And reinvent
Yourself or
become extinct.